Another great patio by Nexus Landscapes. Just sweeping in the final polymeric sand. Essential for good joints of the patio. They wanted the whole thing curved, so we gave them the whole thing curved, the whole patio. It's very difficult, but we got it done. Very beautiful color. I'll take a video after. We blow it off clean and water it. It's gonna look good. We did some stepping stones here. I think a total of 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We did a whole 20 stepping stones from the front door, back door to the garden, from the back door to the porch, and from the back door to the new patio. You see we made sure to touch up the edges of the patio. We don't want to leave the customer with a messy yard. We want to leave it in condition that they can have a party tomorrow and show it off. Essential to keep everything clean and to clean your work site when you're done. You don't want to be a messy person. We left a lot in this job. I broke my finger, poison ivy, everything. Long days, but it's all done and it's looking really good. All right.